Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm out again on the streets of Dumaguete in the Philippines with the Canon M50 Mark II and the EF-M 22mm Pancake lens.
Okay, I can see a couple of leading lines here, shadows. Just get somebody walking through the frame.
Just noticed some trike drivers over on the right and I thought this would take a brilliant shot. They're obviously having a rest in the heat of the day, just waiting for another passenger.
Okay, try and get the yellows and blues and the blue sky. Go. Okay, we've got this white line on the floor. The perhaps use as a leading line. It's got the weight for, so this one's probably a good one. There we go. Happy with that one. So this area is like a boulevard area that comes alive at night. I'm going to walk along because last night I came along with only my iPhone and took a reflection photo, so we'll go along there and see what that looks like in the daylight, and then I'll show you the picture that I took last night. Now, as this is a new area, looks like they've reclaimed some of the sea here. They really are trying to keep it clean, which is good. And we've got hundreds and hundreds of recycling waste bins. I'll just get a photo along. Where's the sun? Get that moored ship which out there. So go a little bit closer. Okay, we're going to have this diagonally going across now. Again, got to get the sea level. Alright, happy with that one. We've got some nice shadows in there, a bit of a frame. We're going to do the same with this, what looks like a ferry that's moored. Again, I've got the horizon on the lower third, the two lamp posts and the ferry in the background. Got some of the pavement in the foreground. Get this lamp post, centre that. Okay, I like this boulevard here. So, this is the area that I took some photos last night with the iPhone when it was dark, and got some lovely reflections, and there were fishing boats here which I think they're still there, so we'll go and get a similar photo, but there's a bit more wind today, so the water is not really reflecting the buildings in the background. But we'll get a similar photo and then you can see the difference. I believe it was about here.
What's your picture?
Oh, and picture. You see?
Yes.
Let's take your photo.
What?
And take your photo.
Okay.
Yeah? Okay. Let's change my settings. Picture? Okay. And the other way. That's it. Ready? Smile. And again. One more. Okay, to show you. There we go.
What?
Oh, handsome and pretty.
Yes. So happy.
Yeah.
So happy.
It's so happy. Yeah. Salamat.
I noticed this tree here and thought this would take a nice shot in black and white with all the shadows and the branches, etc. I'm pretty happy with that one. Now a bit further along I've got the same tree, but I'm trying to get the tree framing the hotel in the background. Here I've taken a couple with the same theme. And then further along we've got this boat, model of a boat with nuns in there. And what I was trying to do was get it so that you couldn't see the fence and it just looked like that they were on the sea. So this is the first one I took. Just got to reframe it. I'm fairly happy with that one. And then I've just come around the front of it and I thought I'll try and do a similar thing and put it into black and white. It's just getting the frame right so that I haven't got all the fences in it, etc. I'm pretty happy with that one in black and white. And then here I'm just waiting for a lady to walk past with this umbrella in between these two trees, and again I'm happy with that shot. Now I'm just not far from my hotel and I thought I'll do some panning shots just to finish this session off, get some trikes coming past. So there's the first one, really happy with that one. I'm just waiting for another trike. So here comes one. I'm going to get this one. Again, reasonably happy with that. Got a nice motion blur in the background, and then we'll just get this one and put it into black and white. So I'm just walking back to my hotel now, which is just along here, in preparation for my flight back to the UK. I've got to fly up to Manila and then fly back to the UK. So thanks very much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video please give me the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell so that you don't miss future videos. And I look forward to seeing you on my next trip out.